Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're just stopping by for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by again. um Welcome to another video from me. This is Christina, your girl Christina, and welcome to another video, another interesting video from me. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get a flawless eyebrow without an eye pencil. I know it sounds somehow, but I'm going to show you. My eyebrow, I have a full eyebrow, and I have not shaved this since January, and I think before then, but I can remember since January I've never gone to the salon to get this shaved off, because you just go to the salon and ask them to give you a nice shave, and they will just turn you to a zombie. They can just shave everything off, and you're looking like a pepper seller. So I just decided to leave it, and since I have a nice eyebrow, I have a nice shape. This is without me brushing it. I have not brushed this, okay? Even if I scatter it, I still have that nice shape there. So I these days I don't use eye pencil because it makes my eyebrow look shabby and rough, because I have a full eyebrow, my hair is full there. So I think I just found out a way I could make my eyebrow look flawless and beautiful even without an eye pencil. It's a nice way. I mean, I just need one product to get this flawless and beautiful. I'm going to put a picture of me having this look, and it lasts. So the only thing I'll be needing is the only product I'll be needing is this pro concealer. That's the only thing I'll be needing, and of course a brush for my eyebrow, and that's the only product I'll be using and the only tool I'll be using. So let's get to making my eyebrow, my flawless eyebrow. So the first thing I will need to do is actually to brush I'll be using a mirror here. So the first thing I need is to brush this. I just need to brush this. So after brushing this, I have nothing on my face actually. I don't even have a foundation or anything, and look at my skin, it's so flawless, like so flawless. Okay, another tool I'll be using is this other brush to concealer brush, and the next thing I'll be doing is to conceal my brows. That's how I'm gonna do it. Sorry, I'm looking at my mirror to do this. Okay, so I'm going to conceal the next one. That's all I need, and so we are going to clear this off. Because I'll be needing my mirror for this. let's go to the next one. Okay, so I've gotten this down one. So the next thing I'm going to do is to use my foundation for the upper part. It's good for you to use your foundation for your upper part so you don't have this concealer thing just hanging up there. So I'm going to put a drop on my hand, this much, so just pick a drop and I'll just blend it out. Blend. See? Look at that. And let's go for the other one. So let's blend it out. So guys, this is the final look of having a flawless eyebrow without an eye pencil. All I needed was this, and this. These are the things I needed, and of course this. With these three things, this front thing, I could get this nice look. So now you don't need an eye pencil to get this kind of good look. This is flawless. I mean, nobody will even know that I do add eye pencil. People ask me, do you add eye pencil? I'm like, no, that's my natural hair. So this is my final look without final flawless eyebrow without an eye pencil. I hope you love this video. I hope you like this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below how you saw this, if you're going to try this, and tell me. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.